There we go. Oh, let's go. And just like that. How big is he? Boys, how's it going? So today we are at some local ponds, some neighborhood ponds, and we are looking for some big old largemouth. Some nice Texas bass. You know, it's springtime here, late March, and they're spawning. They're doing their thing. They're bedding, and we're gonna go look for some. There we go. Haven't even filmed an intro yet. He's already slaying the bigs.
Oh, I can't believe you spotted him, and then I just...
Dude, we saw this fish right out there. I told Jackson to cast out to him, and a different one. That wasn't even the same fish that I saw. That was a different fish.
Yeah,
came up and just crushed it. What is that, like your 5th cast of the day?
Yeah.
We were here a couple days ago, and we caught him pretty fast, so that's a good sign. I mean, he crushed that. We're gonna try running the bank with the good old Z-Man bladed jig, all white. Honestly, one of my favorite lures, if not my favorite bass lure of all freaking time. You can't go wrong when you're pond fishing with the all white bladed jig. It's a good technique to just find fish, find hungry fish, and get them to eat. My friend Adam, he's going to be throwing the bandito bug around. And then Jackson, the guy that already caught the first fish of the day, is also throwing a white bladed jig. We're going to see if we can... Oh, I had one follow me. Just had one come in. Let's make a short cast. See if we'll eat it again. I did have one come and follow, so that is a great sign. Oh, there's one right there. He doesn't see me yet. Hopefully he never sees me, because I'm about to cast at him. And he saw me. Jackson just caught one. How big is he? 3? Oh yeah. That's a decent fish. Chatterbait again?
Yep.
There. You see one? You can't tell me there's not fish right here. There we go. There's a little one. Ski him in. Well, there's my first fish of the day. About time. Boom. Little one. But it's a start. All right, bruh. Go tell your 8-pound friends to come say hi. Is there a way to cross that? Yeah. Ooh.
Bobby, it's like a fucking 4-pounder.
No way. Can I get to him?
Yeah, come into the shade. Come where the shade is. Dude, I saw from under the tree.
Is he there? Do you see him still?
No, but you have your feather cut on?
Yeah.
Ooh.
I see the bluegill. I don't see him. Do you see him? Dude, there's some fat bluegill down there. Oh my gosh. Oh, I see him. All right. All right, I'm gonna get where you are. Dude, oh my gosh, there's some big bluegill.
One of the 4 was chasing after this.
After the bluegill. Oh, there he is. Yep. Yep. I see him. Oh, he's looking at it, I think. Oh, there he is. It hit him. Did you see that?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Where's the bigger? Oh my gosh, there he is. Jackson, can you do me a huge favor? Can you go get my jig rod?
Is it car open?
No, but the keys are in my backpack. It's the Guggen Gold one. I got 30, I think. Thank you. I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this fish to eat just because of where he's at. He's in a super tough spot. Oh, he's in a perfect spot.
Oh.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I saw that.
I see him. Oh, he's looking at it.
This is the cast.
No, that wasn't.
Not that one. This is the cast. Yeah, that's the cast. No, this one right here. This is the cast.
There's too many freaking weeds.
Oh, there's ants on this. So plastic wood.
Oh, he nipped at it again. Okay, he.
Right now, we probably dominate.
I can't set the hook on this fish. Oh my gosh, that.
Dude, he's massive.
That female's huge.
Was that the small or the big?
Oh, he's going back under. The female's with him now too.
Let's go.
Yes, dude.
Yes.
Let's go. How about that?
Let's go.
He's super skinny. Oh my god. Look at the colors on him.
Yeah, let me get close.
How about that?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. GoPro died. I was fishing for this guy for
Probably 25 minutes.
25, 30 minutes. He went after it once. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Female's bigger. Like this, yeah, probably twice the size. I mean, super skinny now. Got it done. Got it done. Thank you, C's. So we just caught that fish under this bridge. This little tiny, what would you even call this? Stream?
Yeah.
That connects to the bigger pond over that way. Jaxon actually, he spotted this fish
From on top of the railroad.
from on top of there. We were walking up there. He spotted him from up there. Told me to cast at him. Worked him for 30 minutes, probably a half hour or so. He ate it once, and then I couldn't set the hook because he was stuck in the weeds. I don't know if y'all can see, but there are a bunch of tiny bluegill right in front of me. That's what that bass that I caught just right over here was kind of fending off his bed. Yeah, just a little jig and a green pumpkin is what I caught the fish on, but this is what the bass was protecting the bed from, was all these bluegill right here. See him right there? Dude, he's aggressive. If you can get it like in his face, Adam, he should eat it. Ooh, donkey. If you can, try to like literally hit him in the face. Just over and over again. There you go. Yes. Oh, he has it. He has it.
There we go, Adam.
Oh god, dang it broke off.
There's a fish up shallow right here. We're gonna see if we can get him. He's really close to eating. Just like that. There we go, boys. Another fish on the bandito bug. Well, the first one actually today was on the jig. This one is just good old Texas rigged bandito bug. Did not take this fish very long to eat at all. But I'm glad he did. Soon after I caught mine just now. Sees his back on the one he lost earlier, and he's throwing the trench hog. Green pumpkin purple.
Did you get the one that you had on camera?
Oh! Let's go! Relax, relax. Don't reel it in all the way. Boom! Let's go, C's!
Let's go.
Grab bundle it before you go in.
Oh, shoot.
Boom! Look at that!
Let's go, baby.
Take your fish.
Here.
You freaking animal. Kills in kilograms. And that's what it's reading. That a boy, that's your PB, dude.
On the dot.
Look at that bloody tail.
Let's go, baby.
That's how you know they're doing their thing.
Yes, sir.
That bloody tail. That's what you want to see.
Let's go. There we go.
He's good. He's just kind of
Shaking up.
Try to grab him again. Try to
here. There he goes.
Let's go, baby.
What a boy. Good stuff. That's your PB. 3 pounds on the dot. Literally 3.02. All right, well, that's gonna do it today. Kudos to that dude catching his PB today. Jaxon caught some solid fish. I caught a 2 and another one that was probably right at 2 also. So no like donkeys today, but you know, it's always fun, always good fun catching 2 to 3 pounders. You know, can't go wrong with that. And get out on the water because these fish are doing their thing. They're up shallow. The one Adam caught had a bloody tail. That's how you know that they're fanning rock. Again, thank you for watching. And as always, see ya.